Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a clean two-color text effect in Canva. First, just open Canva and then create a new design, and then just add your text, then adjust the font size and just arrange it as you like. For example, I have these designs, I have this text like this, and then next just duplicate these designs onto a new page. For example, like this, and then just change the color on the new page to your second color. For example, I want to make it, for example, like this, and then after that just export these designs as png with transparent background like this, and then just download, and then just search for the frames. Just go to elements and then just choose frames, this one, and then just search for the shape that you like. For example, I want to search for 7 shape like this. For example, like this, and then I will adjust it and then just position it as you like. Like this, and then maybe I want to search for one. For example, like this, and then after that just upload your text that you export before like this, and then just insert it to the frame. For example, like this, and then just double click and then adjust it so it perfectly matches the text underneath like this. And then just adjust the another one. And then next you can add slight outline or border to the frame so the two colored effects stand out more. For example, like this. Like this, and then adjust the color like this. Okay, like this. That's it, you have just created a simple but eye-catching two-color text effect in Canva. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!